Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to culinary convenience with the incredible Instant Pot Duo Plus, your new secret weapon for effortless meals. This isn't just any pressure cooker. It's a 9-in-1 multi-cooker, serving as your slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and more. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still preparing a vast array of delicious dishes. It truly streamlines your cooking. With 15 customizable smart programs, from hearty stews to delicate cakes, achieving perfect results has never been easier, even for beginners. The premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking, superior durability, and incredibly easy cleanup after every meal. If you're searching for the best kitchen appliance to save time and elevate your cooking game, this model is specifically designed for you. It's the smart, versatile investment that transforms complex recipes into simple, everyday triumphs, making it a top contender for any kitchen upgrade. Don't miss out on making your kitchen life easier. Find the Instant Pot Duo Plus and grab yours on Amazon today via the link in our description. Whether you're a busy parent, a budding chef, or simply want the best pressure cooker on the market, the Duo Plus delivers. For a truly versatile, reliable, and essential addition to your home, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is the ultimate kitchen must-have for 2025.